You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this group of plants. If you want to learn more scientific names, Latin names, scientific plant names, stay tuned for more videos for you. Araceae, that's your English pronunciation here, although there is also another pronunciation, which is Araceae. That's usually like this, with this EAE at the end of Latin scientific words. It's either EI or EE. Araceae or Araceae, two correct pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.